I'm excited because I'm about to go to the fitness center and see what they have at the John Bonner Fitness Center. Hopefully they'll have a plan I can do so I can work out. So much fun, like, ooh. I remember playing basketball again at AU just for my mom and my brother. Man, that felt so good just to work out. But I'm on my way to the library. It was supposed to rain, but I'm gonna go to find something to eat. I'm gonna go find something to eat, and I feel skinny now. So hard on my body, but I did have 4 babies, so. But that felt so much good. That felt really good to play basketball again and to work out. It felt amazing. Lord willing, I could do it again. I don't know. So she gave me a free pass. The first day, she said they only have like a 30-day thing. So, for $30. How you doing? So, I was like, I can't do no $10 a day, but you go a certain amount of times for 30 days and they'll give you $10 back. But I'm definitely gonna have to try that again one of these days. And it's right by Arsenal Tech, which is really cool. It's so big, it's such a big school. I think my cousin went here. But yeah, I enjoyed myself. The front desk lady was really nice. And yeah, so I'm just heading back to probably the downtown library. Like, you know, I was gonna leave early, but because it's supposed to rain, and I was just like, no, I'm gonna just stay and hoop. And here it is, it's almost 10 and it hasn't rained yet, so I'm about to head on back. Hopefully they have something for me to snack on. Got $4.51 on the Apple Pay. So shout out to my sister for giving me some money for food. But I'm about to head out. And hopefully it will not rain again. I got caught in the rain a little bit. It was cold up there, but it was cool chilling. So it's supposed to rain again at 12. It's 12 right now. That's why the bell is ringing. And then hopefully it won't rain while I'm in Kroger's. Hopefully I can get back before it rains. Shoes is wet. It's cold. Come on, Indiana. Where's the warm weather at? I have to thank God because it's rainy and gloomy, but it was putting a damper in my mood. But I just thank God for the day. Heading back now to the shelter. About to eat some good food, Lord willing. And about to probably have a good rest and some sleep. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm probably going to write in my journal, tell God how thankful I am. And sometimes you can't get sidetracked. So sometimes God is testing you, you know, when the days aren't shining. But also, yeah, I had got rained on back there when I went to Kroger, and something told me just wait a little bit, wait till the rain lets up. But I looked and they said it wasn't gonna let up until 40 minutes later. As soon as I get back to the library, it lets up. Sometimes we have to be patient and God will provide for us. You know, that wait out, he can let go of the storm or stop the storms for us. But I did want somewhere to sit and eat, but I could have waited. Could have prevented me from getting soaking wet and my socks getting wet, but I dried up a little bit. I'm getting warm right now from walking. I'm trying to tell myself to slow the freak down because I'm always trying to get somewhere in a hurry. But I'm gonna slow down and enjoy this walk. My legs are starting to hurt anyway. I was just thinking how I low-key want to stay in a hotel with the kids or go to a hotel. I'm grateful for where I'm at, but it would be nice to go to a hotel with the kids or something and enjoy, cuddle up, nice thick hotel blankets and chill, especially with the kids and stuff. So just putting that out there, God. It's rainy and I got flip-flops on. So I think I'm going to wait it out. I don't know if I want to go downtown because I got flip-flops on. But I do want to go back to the library and read the Book of Enoch and maybe read some other books too. So we'll see how today goes. If it warms up and stop raining or drizzling and the sidewalks clear from the rain, then I'll go walk downtown with flip-flops on. Yeah. church member said that she'll come get me not tomorrow, but Sunday night. So tomorrow I think I'm gonna just spend my time at the canal again. I'm only spending a little bit here because I talked to my dad for I think a couple hours, and so I'm going to and I talked to my sister a little bit too, so it didn't leave me much time at the canal, but got about 30 more minutes. I'm gonna chill here and then head back to the shelter. It feels great though. Alright, well, this is the end. I made it back. I ate good. Dinner was pretty good. It was fish, macaroni and cheese. What was the other thing? Cabbage. Start to ask them what cabbage. They had any more. I'm gonna ask them. But it's crazy because I need to put it on my boob to see if that milk blood will go away. Someone was telling me to do that. Cabbage, and it's nice and cold, thank God. Woo! It's cold. By his stripes I am healed. God is good all the time, and all the time he is good. And tell me why my hair is not cooperating. I don't know why. Try to do bangs because my forehead is getting burnt up by the sun. Like it's just been turning red, getting super sunburnt, so it just keep flopping up. So we'll see what I can do with it. I'll probably twist it up tonight and keep it twisted until the next day. So alrighty then, peace.